Welcome back, hustlers. This is the final part of our logical reasoning crash series for business analyst tests. We are closing strong with the last four must practice questions covering Venn diagrams, inequalities, coding, decoding, and more. Whether you are preparing for Amazon, Flipkart, or any BA role, these problems can make or break your selection. Let's finish strong, let's hustle harder. Our first problem for today is finding the odd one out. Pause the video and try to figure it out yourself. Alright, so here the answer is 242. All numbers except 242 are perfect squares. Perfect square of 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. And 242 is not a perfect square here. So the answer is 242. Moving on to the next one. Analytical reasoning. 5 workers can complete a task in 12 days. If we add 3 more workers, how many days will it take to complete the same amount of task? Pause the video and try to solve this simple maths problem by yourself. Alright, 5 workers can solve the task in 12 days. So total amount of work will be 5 into 12, which is 60. So if we add 3 more workers, what will be the new times required? So when we add 3 more workers, the total workers will be 8. But the total work is not increasing there. So total work remains as 60. So the new time will be 60 divided by 8, which will be 7.5. I hope you were able to solve that. This was a pretty easy one. Moving on. Data sufficiency. Question. Is x greater than y? X minus y greater than 0. X plus y greater than 0. Is the data sufficient or not? That's a question. Pause the video now. Here is the answer. Only one is sufficient. X minus y greater than 0 is sufficient enough to conclude that x is greater than y. X plus y greater than 0 is not enough. Y can be negative 10. X 11 means x greater than y, but not always. So only statement 1 is sufficient. Moving on to the final problem of the day, which is circular arrangement. 5 friends P, Q, R, S and T are sitting around a circular table. P is to the immediate right of R. Q is sitting between T and P. Who is sitting to the immediate left of R? Pause the video now and try to solve this puzzle by yourself. Alright, here is the solution. Let's understand the question first. It's a circular arrangement, so the direction matters. People are sitting clockwise unless mentioned otherwise. Let's assume all are facing center. Default for such questions. That means so immediate right means clockwise. Immediate left means anti-clockwise. Let's start placing people based on the clues. P is to the immediate right of R. P is sitting immediate right of R. If R is at any point, P will be the next clockwise position. Now we have R and P seated. Moving to the second clue. Q is sitting between T and P. So P is here. If we put a T here, then Q will be sitting in between there. So we have 4 friends seated. Now we have T, Q and P as well. We already placed P next to R. So continue clockwise. So the only person left to be seated is S. So if we seated S here or here, that doesn't make much difference. Because our question is to find who is the immediate left of R. So immediate left of R will be S. If you place here S or here S also, it will be S will come as immediate left since it is a circular table. In clockwise circle, left equal to anti-clockwise. So the one step before R equal to S. That means S is the immediate left of R. And that's a wrap on our 3-part advanced logical reasoning series. You now have 12 top tier questions and techniques at your fingertips. If you watched all 3 parts, you are not just prepping, you are dominating. Drop a comment below if you want a free PDF with all questions plus Venn diagrams plus strategies. Like, share and subscribe and never stop leveling up. This is the Data Hustler helping you crush your goals one question at a time. See you in the next grind. Until then, bye-bye.